You can make a call or dial into an audio-only conference with Zoom Room. The functionality will be similar to the Zoom Phone system that we're currently using. For more information on Zoom Phone and the in-call controls, you can check out the guides that we have linked in the video description box. To start dialing, tap on Phone on the Need pad. Using the number pad, dial the number that you want to call. 4-digit dialing will work for internal CSUF extensions, while you will need to dial 1 plus the 10-digit phone number to call externally. When you're done dialing, tap the Call button. When the person on the other line has answered the call, the in-call controls will be activated. This will give you access to mute or unmute the call, return to the keypad, add callers to a conference call, hold or unhold the call, transfer the call, elevate the call to a Zoom meeting, and adjust your volume. To hang up, tap the End button. For additional resources, check out the links to our user guides in the video description down below. For technical support, contact the IT Help Desk at helpdesk@fullerton.edu or extension 7777.